I did not meet the goal for my channel last year. Back in January 2025, I finally started a YouTube channel. Well, I technically had one already, but that was just for watching videos. This channel was made with the intent to build an audience and see if I could make a living from posting videos about all the things I make while dealing with ADHD. Well, again, technically, that wasn't my goal for the year. Certainly it's difficult to make a living just off YouTube, but if I could make even a bit of extra money by creating things and sharing them with others, that's a win. But I gotta get monetized first. So for 2025, my goal was to get that magical 1,000 subscribers. For the first half of the year, I had no more than 12 subscribers. Since I was posting irregularly and not about anything particularly interesting or in particular at all, that's not surprising. Not the best strategy, but since I'm still learning to deal with my ADHD, especially perfectionism, the fact I was posting anything was a win for me. Then, the last day of July, 3 days after I posted a new short about how I made a kitsune mask out of EVA foam, my first post in 3 months, mind you, I got 7 new subscribers. The next day, I posted another short about the experience and the advice which helped me get through it. But not much traffic for 2 weeks after that. Then, August 15th, I got 11 new subscribers. Then the next day, I got 8 new subscribers. Day after that, 11. Day after that, 21 new subscribers in a single day. Those 2 shorts were gaining traction. I was getting views, subscribers, and comments, all of which I read. It felt great and I intended to capitalize on this. But things slowed to a crawl by mid-November. I had been posting some new shorts the previous months, but none of them caught on like those mask videos. I had thankfully been able to pass 900 subscribers, and I still had a month and a half left in the year, so I thought I could still do this. But whether it was other things taking up my time, with it being the end of the year, or me just not able to get myself to keep at it and post enough to retain the growth I was getting, the growth stopped, and I fell just a few dozen subscribers shy of 1,000. And the thing is, that's okay. I may have fallen short of my goal, but I also didn't fail because I still made progress. There wasn't any external deadline I missed, which meant all the work I did was wasted and now useless or anything. I still got over 900 subscribers, over 90% of the way there. That's an A even by US school standards. In fact, I'm not sure I would have gotten that many subscribers if I hadn't set that goal at all. If I just thought of making videos, I probably would have slacked even more at some points. Besides, even if I did get 1,000 subscribers, I still wouldn't have monetized since I was, and am, nowhere near the view requirement, let alone having not uploaded a single long-form video despite those being my intention for the channel. Maybe I could have built up those views if I worked harder and posted more, but that kind of thinking of what I could have done won't get me anywhere. With having ADHD, most of the year I was learning how to get into the habit of not just making things regularly, but making videos about those things and explaining my process to an audience. There's still exponentially more I don't know, but I still got the experience and now have a better sense of what goes into making a video, from planning to filming, editing, and publishing, and everything that comes after. Although now it's the end of March and I'm still hovering just a bit short of 1,000. I uploaded some shorts about the Witch King of Angmar helm I made for a friend's surprise, but I've got a ways to go still. There was some steady growth, but I'm still figuring out what I want this channel to be, and it's possible I won't get the audience I need until I figure that out. I'm worried so much about whether what I'm thinking of posting will fit my channel enough, or if it's high enough quality that I'm barely posting anything now. Though, as I write this, I realize I won't realize what my style on this channel will be until I post more and more often and try out different styles, just like this video. I need to let myself experiment, and so do you. In fact, let's remember my own advice from the short which got me these many subscribers in the first place. Imperfect action beats perfect inaction. Learning to say good enough, throwing it out into the world, and moving on to what's next. All of this is about learning and trying new things. As much as I may want to have a perfect channel from the start, a perfect channel doesn't exist. So it's better that I have the kind of channel that I will have some enjoyment making and that I can just be satisfied with, saying good enough. So here's to everyone else out there who's struggling to build a channel, or anything for that matter. We need to let ourselves experiment, try new things, and not take all this so seriously. Phew, got that video done.